Hi to all our lovely parents. My name is Melissa Al-Jalelati and I am the training manager for Minova Pharmaceuticals. And today I'd like to tell you a little bit more about a product called Créche Restore. It's that time of the year again where our little ones may experience periods of fluid and nutrient loss due to diarrhea, vomiting, and exercise, or just too much fun in the sun and not enough water. Why not try Créche Restore? It is a gel-like fluid solution that helps to replace fluid and nutrients in the body. The formulation contains glucose, which provides energy to the cells and plays an important role in the transport of water in the body. It also contains sodium, potassium, and citrate, which are essential nutrients. These ready-made sachets are so easy to use, and no preparation or mixing is required. They are also so tasty, your little ones will find it easier to keep down. Let me show you the various ways to use Créche Restore. It can be given at room temperature, sipped directly from the sachet, or placed into a cup for easy consumption. It can also be frozen and sucked like an ice lolly. This allows for smaller volumes of liquid to be consumed, as children often struggle with larger volumes. So, replace what is lost, because a hydrated little body is a healthy body. Inquire about Créche Restore at your doctor or pharmacy today. Thank you for listening and stay safe.